Ladies and gentlemen, it is a rainy season in Tanzania. So rainy is considered as a very big blessing in our country, Tanzania. And today I'm going to teach you the four basic vocabularies that are associated with the rainy season. So take a look at how it's raining. And we're going to shortly continue with our lesson. God bless you. The very first Swahili vocabulary that is to do with rain is mvua. Mvua is a Swahili word for rain. So when you come across a Swahili speaking person and is talking about something in the rain season, they say mvua, that means he's talking about rain. For instance, when it says Mvua inanyesha, it means it is raining. Mvua is raining, mvua is rain, and inanyesha means it is raining. So you simply say Mvua inanyesha in English, you simply say it is raining. And they say mvua is rain and inanyesha. Inanyesha. It is a prefix pronoun for the third person singular, which stands for rain. And now it is a tense marker for the present tense. And nyesha, it is raining. So nyesha is it is raining. It is raining. Another vocabulary is umbrella. During the rainy season, you actually use umbrellas to protect you from rain or from rain to wet your clothes. So, or waiting airs for especially for women. So, what to say? Najifunika Mwavuli. Najifunika Mwavuli. It means I'm covering myself with an umbrella. Na is a plural prefix for the first person singular. Na. G. It is doing something to yourself. So naji. And the funika is cover. When you say najifunika, it means that I'm covering myself. And mwamvuli is an umbrella. So najifunika mwamvuli in English, you say I'm covering myself with an umbrella. Another thing is in the rainy season, we can find a lot of mud out there because we have a lot of roads, street roads, and these roads, some of them, they are not the tarmac roads, So you actually find a lot of mud. So mud is a tope. Yeah. So once you come across with the mud, so we simply call it matope. And another thing, the last thing for today, it is thunder and lightning. When there is a very heavy rain, it is inescapable that you might find there is thunder and lightning. What is lightning? Lightning, in Swahili, we call it Radi. We call it Radi, and thunder, we call it Gurumo. So, when there is thunder and lightning, then you say kuna ngurumo na radi. If you want to say that, there is thunder and lightning, then you can say kuna ngurumo na radi. Kuna, it means there is. Kuna means there is. Ngurumo means thunder, and lightning is radi. Gurumo is thunder, and lightning is radi. So kuna ngurumo na radi, it means there is thunder and lightning. So thank you for today, and don't skip without subscribing to this channel so that you will be the first person to get the notifications of all the videos that will be uploaded to this channel. But don't forget to hit the bell after subscribing. God bless you and see you on the next video. Bye bye.